Yeah. Well, I see there's oil like weeping up around the.
Yeah, I mean it's
probably
when we pull the intake, it's going to be just covered in oil.
Wonder why.
I don't know. It's every time I decelerate, it's pulling it back through. So I don't know if it's. You can see it pulling up right there at the bottom.
Terrible.
It's not here, but it was a lot more on the intake where it pooled because that's all dripped down after time. And I bet you it's done the same thing on the intake. I bet you whoever fired up right now probably blow a bunch of smoke out the back of an initial fire up.
Wasn't fine, but I just think your breather setup was a little inadequate.
Maybe.
It was just stock PCV is all it had in it. So.
Well, what do? You're making too much horsepower, right?
All right. There's a little dark corner of the garage here.
Yeah.
Because we're in John's place, and
it sucks here.
out with the old.
Yeah.
It's not that old, but it's
a couple years old.
It's just making way for the new.
This thing may have 1,500 miles on it.
Well,
they're hard miles though.
Yeah,
very, very hard.
It's a dyno-proven 400 rear wheel horsepower.
This thing will pull
engine, 347. So
122 in the traps, so it is making good steam. Not bad for an NA.
So we're just after it tonight. Just me and John, but we're gonna hopefully get this engine almost ready to get yanked out. If not yanked out tonight, we'll see how it goes.
We're gonna get as far as we can tonight, and I'm ready to press through until the morning. So
I got 40-minute drive home and work tomorrow.
I gotta work tomorrow.
5:50 in the morning.
I don't have to be there until the crack of like 10, so I'm good.
So all right, it's now you see one again, and how much room there is in a foxbody engine bay.
It's no wonder everybody wants a foxbody.
Yeah, they can put anything in them.
You put a big block in this thing, it'll fit. Plenty of room.
All right.
And people have done it numerous times over. I was going to do it to my convertible.
Yeah.
So.
All right, we're going to tear it apart. Hopefully leave the trans in for now, because we don't have a whole lot of room to work in here.
It's pretty tight, and what makes it difficult is this post right here, unfortunately. If this were my garage, I would modify this so that post isn't there.
Low ceilings. One heater's going, one supercharging the other one.
It's a compound boosted setup is what that is.
And all right, guys, we'll be right back in a little bit.
There's even more room now.
Well, there's the TKX.
And maybe it'll be up to snuff for the much bigger engine.
Yeah, well, it will be.
We're going to find out. You don't think I'm going to baby it, do you? We're leaving the oil filter there, or the air filter there. I'm not even touching that.
It's well oiled.
It's definitely, it's re-oiled, that's for sure. All right, let me get out of here.
So we got to get the clutch off. We have another different bell housing to go on that one. That's a 28 ounce. That's going to be a 0 ounce.
Flywheel.
Yeah, flywheel.
Not bell.
Oh yeah.
Flywheel. The flywheel is
on the bench.
Okay.
Just got it out of the way.
Yep.
Yeah, we had to transfer over the injectors and the harness, electric water pump. I'm not sure yet, but definitely the alternator and the bracketry.
The beauty of the Termi X is we're going to be using everything the same and just right
So, yeah, these are
60-pound the
LU60s.
LU60s.
So there should be plenty, even for the new motor.
Yeah, I don't think that's going to be an issue. That should not be where we run out. The fuel pump? Yep. Yeah, I don't think that's going to be
The distributor's not staying.
No,
the motor mounts we got to swap over.
We do have to swap those over, but I've got a different distributor for it because it is a 9.2 deck.
And then swap this over.
Little thing.
Lots of little stuff.
Yep. Plus we have to put the rear main oil seal in that one.
Yeah, well, I'll help you do that here quick.
So what are we doing, John?
We're trying not to look like the Keystone Cops.
Tripping over everything.
Tripping over everything.
The torque hex head bolts.
Yeah, they're right here.
So you're sticking with the same clutch, yeah, John?
Yep.
That one that's not going to be man enough for the power that you're going to be producing.
It'll be man enough for the soft tuning.
soft tune. But
Right.
what about when we bolt nitrous on it?
Well, no, we're not putting nitrous on this. When we eventually...
Well, you might not be putting nitrous on it, but me
Yeah,
and Mike
yeah.
might be.
Yeah, okay.
Twin plate clutch, look, but it is the baby one.
It
It's
is
only
the baby one. Just
Just a
RST. Yeah, let me mute the music.
RST.
A little rusty from non-use.
I mean, yeah, look at that. Look. You've not used this enough, John. You ain't give it enough stick.
Done enough burnouts, that's for sure.
Well, you
Definitely
say
done
you
enough.
did burnouts.
Oh,
I
I
mean,
did.
they were baby ones.
I did, most of mine were just the rolling style. These tires are too expensive to just sit there and do a brake stand.
These aren't like roads in America where
Yeah, these things tear up tires over here. These roads are not what we're used
Blah
to.
blah 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 blah. That's all
You've
I'm
driven
hearing.
in the States, you know
Blah,
we're
blah.
not full of it.
we can make black lines
Yep,
in the States and not think twice about it.
exactly.
I need 2 black lines. That's cost me £100.
Exactly. And that's not even including the fine.
Yeah, no. Right, well, we are started getting it ready to go back in the car. We will get the clutch on and we'll be back.
Oh, sorry.
So cold, all this condensation and everything. So this is causing us interference problems. It is blocked. It's so beefy. The feet's not even modify the motor mount.
It is a little bit dark under here, but there's John working on his own car.
That's because it's mine. To be fair, when I do get motivated, I will work, and it doesn't matter whose car.
It looks fairly cramped under there, mate. I don't know how Mike got under it.
That's a great question. It must have been really cold, and he was smaller.
I don't think he was that side of the axle stands, mate. He wouldn't have fitted.
I mean, this is really not a problem for me with the room, the space underneath with it on stands. When we pulled them the other night, it just was a non-event, and it's been much harder before doing it. So this has been pretty benign, really. I don't have to use the extension to get on now, but I'm too lazy to move.
Well, at least this answers all those questions where people ask if you do anything.
I normally don't.
Video evidence.
This isn't really evidence because the work's already been done. I'm just
Well, yeah, I mean, me and Mike got the engine in. He's just putting a couple of bolts in to hold the bloody gearbox together.
Yeah, you
He's the only
two.
one small enough to get his hands up to the top bolts.
You two got the engine in, is right. Yeah, nothing to do with
That's
that.
video evidence, mate.
There was no video evidence of me.
Mike under the car. I was doing the.
No evidence of me
Boys.
doing anything else.
No.
Yeah, no.
I'll edit all the rest out. And then it'll be it.
For all the Foxes Abroad fans out there, these two are so full of beep.
There we go. Look at that. It's in the hole.
It's in the hole.
That's a bloody big anchor, though, isn't it?
Yeah, heavy too.
This clutch cable's gonna be, or this throttle cable.
Yeah.
Everything is in the way.
Right. Yeah.
It's tight on the driver's side because that head's so far
Might
back.
have to reroute that.
The speedometer cable's right across the. I mean, you're gonna need a little bit shorter valve covers,
You
and
think,
it'll give you a lot more room for things to happen.
wait,
here.
need or just it'd be nice?
Need.
Because we're talking money.
Well, that don't matter. You're rich.
The throttle cable, it comes out and it kind of rubs right on the top of the valve cover,
Yeah.
and the speedometer cable tight now because
Hey, you made it.
Oh, I'm lightheaded.
Right, it. Well,
I
you have done
haven't
a
been
bit of
drinking.
work. Yeah.
It would be wild to do this swap and never pull the filter out of the fender.
Well, just how hard that was to get in there.
Yeah, it's
I
not
think
coming back out. It's going to stay in there. Even if we never use it again, it's not leaving.
I think we have to take the inner splash shield out to get the filter.
I had to take the splash shield out, front tire splash shield not.
Well, there it is. It is going to require some more custom everythings.
Yeah, it's just money. So
we got to worry about the water pump. The electric water pump that he had from the 347 is not going to work with the bolts and the brackets because of the cooling system crossover and the thermostat housing it needs to have on there.
because of everything else that's custom.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So the valve covers.
Gonna have to go shorter.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get a little shorter valve covers because of everything at the back here. Speedometer cable.
I'm just gonna go shorter on one side. I'm leaving this too expensive.
That's just buying the one.
So we have our Cobra double step cowl hood here, and we had John inside measuring height.
There we
And
go.
even with this, the shortest throttle body you could possibly get, this AccuFab one, there's still only about what, 2 and
It was
7
2 3/4 inch was the space that
at
we
the
had.
front.
At the
So
front, yep.
this cowl hood is not going to be big enough to use like an extreme velocities hat, which is like 4 inches. So, and we're going to try to have it made up to his old, what is that?
It's the Anderson power pipe
power pipe, yeah.
for the NA power pipe.
That's plenty big enough for the intake, but we're going to have to figure stuff out as we go. But the next step, once we finish up, I mean, the bolts aren't even in the motor mounts. Everything's in the belt housing.
Yep.
We turn the engine over, make sure nothing was fouling. So it's sitting where it wants to be, but we need to get the exhaust out of the back so we could fit the roll bar from Team Z. So once this is in place, then the car can go to the exhaust shop, because we need to get the custom headers made.
Yeah. There we getting it there, John.
You? Pete and his wonderful trusty Bronco and the
Be
trailer.
the shortest recovery or tow anywhere.
Oh yeah, it's only just down the road, isn't
I mean, we could legitimately just push it, but no, I'm not pushing this car a mile. That would suck.
So you think somebody with a 4-wheeler that could tow it or something?
that would be funny.
If only we were in the States and they're everywhere.
Yeah, I'll just tow you up there with the Bronco.
Sure.
Flat tow? I can do it in my truck.
Well, could you?
Yeah.
Has it got enough power?
Yeah.
Is that 110 horsepower?
115, man.
50.
Don't short my
Sorry, I do apologize.
135 foot-pounds of torque.
I'll Bluetooth in some engine noises from the racetrack while you're towing me.
So a one-wheel peel. Kick rocks all over your car. Well, that's it for now, and we're going to keep at this.
So many little things that have to be done, but so schedule the exhaust shop so that, because now that the engine's in, that's going to be take the longest to get fit. So
No.
he's going to have the car for a little while.
We can swap the injectors over, and we not do a lot of little fiddle farting around, but
Mike scared the hell out of me turning the engine over because about blew out the piece of tape.
yeah, we had tape cover the ports up, and when they pop, they really let go.
I was not wearing my Depends, and I should have been.
All right, everybody. So, thanks for sticking around, and we'll catch you in another video.